the CEO, who you'll meet in a second in a video, he's a seasoned business guy. This wasn't his first business. He was very successful with other businesses. So intuitively, he felt that his business was growing and that but his cash didn't really match his profits. It was this sort of nagging thing that he had, kind of a gut reaction. So he asked his experts, and by that, to investigate, and they didn't come back with anything. So he had a CFO, a fractional CFO service with a consulting company, which was, supposed to be really expert. So he had them look into it, and they didn't find anything. They found nothing wrong. He had his MSP, his IT company, look into it, and they came back and told him that he was absolutely safe. There was no way that he could be hacked. Then he worried about it enough to ask his cybersecurity insurance company. They came in and they said that they didn't find anything, which is typical because they don't want to pay premiums. They hope that it isn't the case. So, but then his controller got an odd message from a vendor. So a vendor had received an email asking for their ACH information. Well, this vendor doesn't accept ACH payments. They only accept credit card payments. So got an email back saying, hey, what's this all about? We don't do ACH. So when the controller got into it, she found that not only were payments going out to that company through credit card, but there was actually ACH payments going out as well. So they found duplicate payments. Now, not all of the payments going out were duplicates, but some of them were. So frustrated, he called us in. We were working on their accounting ERP system, doing the modifications, managing that for them. And so he asked us to come in knowing that we have a cybersecurity focus. CIS was called in. So we found 8,000 vulnerabilities, and we use automated tools for this. It's really, really effective, and it doesn't take us very long. And so we've also found rogue servers and VPNs connections. So when we were monitoring what was going on inside the network, we saw that there were these servers, virtual servers that were just popping up and connecting VPN outbound through the firewall to IP addresses that we had no idea, what they were. And we didn't take the time to research it at that point. So we just shut it down. And so also they hacked through the camera systems. So this is a company that has a robust camera system. And so this company had obviously hacked the cameras and also attempted to hack into the camera provider. So it's a cloud-based camera provider. And so they were trying to get through to their other customers as well. So we immediately shut everything down, closed off the firewall, and then everything just went to hell, to be honest with you. So they had booby traps inside the system so that if their access was denied or a time frame maybe that they didn't have access, whatever, they had all these booby traps in there. So we had about 72 hours of playing whack-a-mole. It was like we would shut down one process and another one would start. We'd shut down one VPN connection and another would be attempted. And they actually had a bomb in there to attack the backup system. So, it was, it's been a long time with cloud and everything else. It's like the old days, 10 or 15 years ago when a server would, crash and the next thing you knew you were down forever. So this was a situation. Our guys started, I think, on Friday morning and finished late Saturday night, Sunday morning. So, and then continued, on and on a less frantic pace. So it was pretty disruptive.